Hello everybody, my name is Vihan Jain. Today I will teach you how to make this Rubik's Cube. This is a classic Rubik's Cube. If you want to buy, I will give you the link in the description box. Please buy it and like and subscribe. So let's start with the white plus. You can choose any color. And first thing is very important that I want to show you. See, this is the center of the blue. So if I rotate it anywhere, this is only here. See, I am showing you. I rotate it, rotate and rotate. See, now this blue center is here only. So let's start. See, white and red is here, not here, like this. So we just need to rotate it that it matches with the white and red. This also should match. If you are making the white, this also should match, or any color. If you are making red, this also should match this. So I am making white. So now blue, and this is very important. See, if this is not matching with blue, so first rotate it here or here, that is your choice. I am rotating it here like this. So now this blue is matching. See, this blue is matching with blue. So now you just need to rotate it like this. See. So first we need to make the line like this or like this, and then we need to set this. So let's do it. See, now green, I need to show you like that blue. First like this and like this. See, easy. And this line is done. And if this is coming yours like this, you can just rotate it like this. I am making the orange ones. See, now this is coming like this, so I am rotating it like this. Now this one. See, it is done, and I was showing this in a series. You please like and subscribe. If you want to buy, you can buy. If in the description box, I will give you the link. I had bought from Amazon. Bye bye. Thank you.